Let me show you how to be a good breezy and change your predictions after.
One of the other things that shows up is you'll get something called y-hat.train.mean. These are posterior means of the regression function evaluated the training data. There's the y-hat test mean for the posterior mean evaluations on the testing data. Then you also have access to the full MCMC samples. So if we look at the dimensions of say y-hat.train, this will be 1,000 by 10,000. So the rows are going to index your MCMC iterations. The columns are going to index your observations in the training data set. So you could then turn this into like an MCMC object in Coda and then do, what is the R hat for each individual, like f of x1 or f of x2. Those are also identified, so you can try to do that.
Let me show you how to be a good breezy.